Welcome, woodpeckers! Today we're doing a little wacky workshop. My friend Frank, he has done some thinking regarding the coronavirus and social distancing and bars and how to solve the problem for all the bars so they can start serving again, and it's just a matter of distance. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make an extension of our arm, so we can get a hold of a bottle of beer from, for instance, a bartender. You need 180 centimeters at least. I got these at 90 centimeters. It's an old IKEA bed frame thing, the things you put the mattress on. Oh, I didn't want this anymore. Where were we? Yes, we needed to make the arm. Probably be able to drink one beer like this. What I'll do, I'll put another one like here, so I'll get more power. Very good thought, Martin. Or Darth Vader. Something, I don't know, probably doesn't have one of these. Like that. All right, we are starting to save the world. Okay, I'll use now. Well, so it should go out like this. That's my goal. And then it'll travel back, and then awesome. All right, saving the world one beer at a time. Okay, first I need to open it. I don't know, does this work? Oh, in the face. What happened with it? Is it stuck? No, luckily. Okay, bartender. So the bartender, he's over at the other end. He puts this, fuck, it's heavy. God damn it. Is this gonna work at all? Okay, bartender puts the beer in it. Oh, fuck, it's not working. Oh, there it is. Ah. All right, saving the world one beer at a time. Cheers, guys. Hope you like this ridiculous thing. Let me see. Oh, it came back. Okay, let's pretend the bartender was over there again. We're gonna try. Cheers, people. Now it's gonna come in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You should get one of these. It was very fun making it, It is just ridiculous, but you need it because, we are gonna save all the bars this way. This way, they can keep open. The bartender can put your beer in this one. You can transfer it to yourself. Ooh. Awesome, guys. Okay. If you know about some other ridiculous inventions that I should do, mention them in the comment field below, and I might make it. We'll see. Okay, cheers. Yo, Stickman, where are you? Ah, you're there. You gotta see this new invention. Check it out, Stickman. Boy, oh boy, you're gonna be glad to see me. So you're about 2 meters away. Oh, cheers, buddy. Oh, we're having so much fun these days. Being in quarantine. Oh, come on. Yeah. Guys, this is I haven't made the Stickman on movie yet, but I'll be back to show him. Hang on.